Hello viewers, today I'll show you how to make squid ink pasta with seafood. This black colored pasta has a distinctive taste and is a particular favorite of real seafood lovers. Here I have 500 grams of Italian squid ink pasta. The black color of this pasta comes from the ink of the squid or cuttlefish. This is an artisan product from the Abruzzo region of Italy. The seafood for this recipe includes 500 grams of cooked mussels, 300 grams of cooked prawns or crevettes, 2 tins of cooked squid pieces in Pasta Nera, which is made from squid ink. Let me show you what's inside the tin can. You can see that the sauce or salsa is black in color. I will also need 4 to 5 cloves of chopped garlic, 2 sliced white onions, some quartered cherry tomatoes, a bit of white wine, any white wine will do. Let's start cooking. Boil some water, add a bit of sea salt to it. Then add the pasta into the pot and slowly let it slip into the boiling water and cook it for 10 minutes on low flame. We need the pasta to be al dente. In a large pot, pour some olive oil. Add the onions and the garlic to the hot oil. And fry them together for 2 to 3 minutes. Give them a nice stir. And then add some chili flakes into the pot. Mix the flakes in. Then add the chopped tomatoes into the pot. Fry the tomatoes for 2 minutes. Then put the lid on for a couple of minutes to help the tomatoes get mushy. You can see that the tomatoes have become slightly mushy. You need to squash them a bit more. And then add a bit of white wine to the pot. Then add 1 cup of single cream into the pot. And give the pot a stir. Add salt according to your taste. Then add the mussels into the pot. And stir them well. Now it's time to add the prawns into the pot. And give the pot a stir so that everything gets mixed up nicely. Now I will add the tins of cooked squid in Pasta Nera into the pot. This is my secret ingredient to give the dish a bit of real seafood oomph. You can opt out of it if you can't find it or don't like seafood too much. Mix it in. As you can see, the color of the sauce now changes. Add a bit of black pepper if the dish needs it. And blend it in. That's the squid ink pasta cooked and drained. And now I am going to add it into the pot. Stir everything together. so that the pasta gets coated nicely with the sauce. Give the pot 2 more minutes and our squid ink pasta with seafood is ready to be served. Sprinkle some freshly chopped basil over it to pretty things up. And we are ready to plate up this delightful seafood pasta. My squid ink pasta with seafood is really simple to make and is a true feast for real seafood lovers. It is delightful to look at, delicious to eat, and celebrates the fruits of the sea. If you like this recipe, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, The Omnivore Indian, for more. Enjoy!